Hey everyone! Let me show you something I've been working on. It's called Neram, your new productivity sidekick that actually helps you get things done, and not just make more to-do lists. First up, the dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. You can see all your progress, from your monthly heat map to your daily focus time and even your lifetime focus hours. Basically, it's your productivity story told in charts. So you can flex how consistent you've been. Next, the sessions page. This is where you track your work sessions. Click the Add button to start a new one. You can add name for the session. Add descriptions. Change session times but make sure it does not collide with other sessions. You can also start a timer. Pause it. Resume it. Stop it. Then comes my favorite, the task manager. It's smooth. It's visual. It's drag and drop heaven. You can create new tasks, move them across stages, and even start a timer for each one. Because what's better than watching your tasks literally move from to-do to done? And for all my data nerds, we've got the statistics page. See your monthly breakdown of sessions across projects. Because numbers don't lie, but they do feel pretty good when they go up. And finally, the Pomodoro timer. Because we all need that little timer buddy that says, hey, 25 minutes of focus, and then you can check your phone. It helps you work in focused bursts, so you actually get things done before your coffee gets cold. Thanks for watching. Turn your hours into achievements. Try Neram today, producthunt.com/products/Neram.